Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Fidelity to invest. First, decide which account best suits your needs, whether it's a standard brokerage account, an IRA, or another specialized option. Next, fund your account. Many Fidelity accounts have no minimum to open, making it easy to start. Then, take some time to navigate the platform and familiarize yourself with the tools and resources available to you. Once your account is set up, it's time to choose your investments. Fidelity offers a wide range of options, including individual stocks, exchange-traded funds, and mutual funds. Use their robust research tools to compare different securities, analyze their historical performance, and understand associated fees. Remember to diversify your portfolio across various asset classes to help mitigate potential risks. Effective portfolio management is key to long-term success. Regularly review your investments to ensure they align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Periodically rebalance your portfolio to maintain your target asset allocation, selling some assets and buying others as necessary. Consider setting up automatic investments to contribute consistently, taking advantage of dollar-cost averaging. Fidelity also provides advanced trading tools and in-depth analytical resources for more experienced investors. Don't hesitate to explore these features to gain deeper insights into market trends and potential opportunities. For personalized advice, consider connecting with a Fidelity financial advisor who can help tailor strategies to your unique situation. And hey, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.